USDTIDRT coin set for a bullish breakout or reversal. 60 minutes candle chart, moving average, volume. The USDTIDRT coin is currently positioned slightly below the 200-day moving average of 15,360. The price movement over the past week indicates a gradual rise towards 15,632, reflecting a bullish sentiment building up in the short-term market. Volume analysis shows that during the recent uptick, there was a significant increase in trading volume, especially when the price reached its high of 15,639. The volume peak correlates with the price surge, indicating strong market interest. However, a subsequent decline in both price and volume signals a consolidation phase, suggesting that the USDTIDRT market could be waiting for further triggers. Relative Strength Index, RSI. The RSI for USDTIDRT is currently at 50, indicating a neutral state. It suggests that the coin is neither in an overbought nor oversold condition. Over the past week, whenever the RSI crossed above 70, signaling an overbought condition, the price experienced brief pullbacks. Similarly, when the RSI dipped below 30, reflecting oversold conditions, the price found support and rebounded. At its current level, USDTIDRT could go in either direction, with close monitoring needed to see if buying or selling pressure intensifies. Stochastic Oscillator. The stochastic oscillator for USDTIDRT is at 51, indicating a balanced momentum in the market. Whenever the oscillator reaches the 80 level, it signals an overbought condition, often followed by a price drop. Conversely, when the indicator drops below 20, an oversold condition has led to a price rebound. At its current level, the oscillator shows no strong bias, but a rise toward the overbought region could suggest impending resistance for the USDTIDRT coin. MACD and signal line. The MACD for USDTIDRT is currently showing -11.46, with the signal line at -11.42, suggesting a weak bearish divergence. Over the past week, when the MACD crossed above the signal line, the price showed short-lived bullish trends. However, whenever the MACD dipped below the signal line, it triggered brief sell-offs. The current proximity between the MACD and the signal line indicates the possibility of a crossover, potentially signaling a shift in momentum for USDTIDRT. Bollinger Bands. USDTIDRT is currently positioned in the middle range of the Bollinger Bands, with the upper band at 15,592 and the lower band at 15,536. This positioning indicates moderate volatility. Historically, when USDTIDRT touched the upper band, it signaled overbought conditions, followed by a retracement. Likewise, when the price touched the lower band, it indicated an oversold condition, which led to a price bounce. The coin's current location within the bands suggests stability, but any breakout outside these bands could result in a significant price movement. Fibonacci Retracement. USDTIDRT is currently hovering around the 23.6% Fibonacci retracement level of 15,557. In previous instances, when the coin reached the 50% retracement level of 15,404, it found significant support, triggering a bounce. Similarly, the 61.8% level of 15,335 has acted as a critical pivot point. Should the price break below these retracement levels, it could signal a bearish trend. On the other hand, maintaining support at these levels may provide USDTIDRT with the momentum to push towards the 0.0% retracement level of 15,695. Daily Candle Chart and Volume. 1 year, USDTIDRT has experienced several key highs and lows in the past year, with a major high at 15,695 and a low at 15,113. The average trading volume throughout the year has remained relatively consistent, with occasional spikes during high volatility periods. The most recent spike in volume occurred when USDTIDRT reached 15,597, suggesting heightened market activity. However, the subsequent decline in volume indicates that the market is entering a consolidation phase, which might lead to the next significant move. Weekly Candle Chart and Volume. 3 years. From a long-term perspective, USDTIDRT has encountered significant resistance near the 15,695 mark over the past 3 years. Every time the price approaches this level, it faces selling pressure. On the support side, the 15,113 level has acted as a strong foundation, preventing further price declines. Trading volume patterns show that high volume periods coincide with price fluctuations near these levels. As USDTIDRT approaches these critical levels again, long-term traders will closely watch for any breakouts or breakdowns that could dictate future price direction. General review: the overall analysis of USDTIDRT suggests that the coin is currently in a neutral phase, with potential for both upward and downward movement. The indicators are showing mixed signals, with the RSI and Stochastic Oscillator indicating no strong momentum in either direction, while the MACD hints at a possible bearish crossover. However, the coin is finding strong support at key Fibonacci levels and is within the middle range of the Bollinger Bands, suggesting that any major movement could be sparked by external market factors. Investors should keep a close eye on the price action around the critical 23.6% and 50% Fibonacci retracement levels and look for volume spikes as a precursor to the next significant price move for USDTIDRT.